Okay, here's another one. Will it run? I honestly have no clue what year this is, other than it's an International Metro.
International Metro.
I honestly have no idea anything about these things.
This one looks like it's been converted to a camper.
And I know that a lot of people like these things. They put them on different chassis and everything else. And it's probably pretty decent. Almost looks like Ford taillights.
Ford taillight.
I just noticed that. Learn something every day. Learn something new in the junkyard.
And we got a kitchen table back there.
Yeah. I don't think I'd be eating at that one. I've eaten at some dives, but I don't think I'd eat there.
And what a surprise. Someone walked away with the ride. There's Derek sitting in there.
So I'm thinking that would probably be an International motor. You guys can tell me, because I don't have a clue. Just by the ribs on the top of the valve cover. But I'm surprised nobody walked away with that front grille.
Oh.
Oh, it does. Oh, it kind of turns over. Wait, yeah. Oh yeah, it could be in gear.
There you go.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, it kind of turns over. Oh, okay.
Let him find some.
That might be alright.
They have oil.
I don't even know where the dipstick. Cool. Oh, the dipstick's on that. Dipstick's on the driver's side.
Yeah, it got oil.
It's
It
got
has
a
oil.
crusty original battery.
I'm gonna say.
And we have a cook stove, a skylight,
Okay, now question.
glove
You guys
box.
bring something to clean the point?
Yes. Okay,
Okay, let's try putting a battery in this thing.
yeah, we'll just try putting the battery in, see if it...
If the motor does anything.
I don't have the battery.
I got one.
Okay.
I gotta get out of the way. I'm leaning on a branch right now. Might have to pause you for a second. All right. International A120. And we're just going to see if we can get it cranking. We don't have keys for this one. I'll need that little jumper.
Yeah.
Before we even check the points and stuff like that. We're just doing this for fun.
I'm gonna see if we got the part.
Okay. Yeah, you can go right to here or there. Okay, I'm just gonna jump the starter if I can.
I'll be jiggered.
We have...
You want to go for the full thing and just dump gas down and see if it start?
I'm gonna say the points are probably.
Or you want to check your points?
Yeah, we'll go check the points.
What the heck was
The
that?
clutch.
That's an aggressive clutch.
The clutch. Oh, just wait. Hey.
I'll be jiggered.
Someone might have stole.
This is the part of the movie where there's no rotor.
Oh yeah, someone did steal a plug. I need one plug. Oh yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah, one for the back.
Oh yeah, you are missing a plug wire.
Unplug wire?
Yeah, not that long.
All right, we'll go dig up a plug wire and we'll be back.
Put your hand over the carburetor.
Okay, so we've cleaned the points contact. We found a another short spark plug. So we're pass me the screwdriver. I'm gonna do the ignition and Derek can do the carb. Ready? Okay, here we go.
Do we have a spark plug?
I can maybe go scrounge one.
Okay, we'll check for spark at the spark plug. And now we just gotta go find one.
I'll wait till we get to Okay, we tried getting, we were getting spark for a little while, but I think the condenser took a dirt nap, and quite frankly, we don't have another one here, so we tried getting it running. It does seem to turn over. It doesn't seem to be making any noises. It looks like the long lost Aerosmith band won't be walking this way. I think she's dunsies. But you never know unless you try.
Unless
we go to that one. Maybe we'll go to that one and rob a condenser out of it. But that could be for another day. It's starting to get a little dark out right now, and it's getting to be supper time. So, but we just wanted to figure, hey, why not try to get it going? You never know unless you try. I guess the last year this Metro's on the road was 76. Like I said, I have no idea about anything about these things, but I'm sure you guys do out there.
funky ashtray. What's in the glove box? Wires.
Yeah, Steve and Tyler seen this, he'd be like, man, there's my long lost bus. We toured in the thing.
I'm not going to show you too much of the back ass of this thing because it's quite disgusting.
Merry Christmas! Dinner was full!
And there's the tempo if anybody wants to get it running. Anyway, like this video, like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one. Supper time.
Merry Christmas! Dinner was full! Merry Christmas! Dinner was full!